Eita, ibizo lami ngu-Tutu and welcome to my Buy Zimbabwe guide. From January to April this year kuphela, $2 billion left Zimbabwe for South Africa buying consumptive products. That include cooking oil, sugar, even bottled water. Kambuta silali chukela thina la, kambuta sila manzi eZimbabwe. Kanti vele indaba singathengi local. I2 billion leyo libona nizaphenduka kanjani?
But kodwa why ama local products are more expensive?
Uyabona mamazala, sukela ekwenziweni kwalezi zinto, intengo yamagetsi, amanzi, lelabor iphezulu kwedlule yaseSouth Africa. Yikho lezi zinto zicina zidura.
Kodwa mkhwenyana, ama factory lawa semadala, lemtshina isigugile. Azakwenelisa yini ukuproduce ama products azakwenelisa Zimbabwe yonke le? Njoba lamanye ama factory asewavala, amanye sesenzela ama church phakathi.
Hi zona mamazala. For that very reason, we want to help companies raise money to expand and modernize. Let's stop exporting capital. I2 billion leyi iyadomela inceda ama-company avule ama-factory lapho abantu bathola imisebenzi. Kodwa thina ngobuthutha sihambisa komakhelwane.
Kodwa mkhwenyana, okunyonga ama-products lakho uyawubona ukuthi hayi angeke ngikuthenge vele ngihambe lakho emzini wami. Ngicina ngibona ukuthi ngcono ngihambe ngiyazithengele eSouth Africa. Ngoba kuyabe ku-substandard.
Yes, that comes back to the same point. Let's stop exporting capital and our local factories will grow and get the capital to improve on machinery and quality.
Manje mina mkhwenyana kuzanceda ngani ukuthi ama-companies aza-improve? Angila company phela mina.
Hi mamazala, if we buy local employment will increase. Abantwana benu bazaqhatshwa. Ama-company azaqala ukusponsor into ezitshiyeneyo. Ibhora, ukuhlabela, uku-actor, ama-competition even lezikolo, in the form of corporate social responsibility. If we buy local, our money stays local. These companies will pay tax and improve our local infrastructure. Even city council will have many factories paying industrial rates. Eqinesekela lokho ezama-rates ezakhamizi. Furthermore, they will be in a better position to fix street lights and roads.
Uqinisile mkhwenyana, wathi sithenge sibili.
Money is like blood. It needs to keep moving around for the economy to be healthy. A country importing in large numbers is like a country bleeding itself to death. Ngu-Tutu lo, Bulawayo show!
Buy local, it's really for cash. Buy local, buy local.